Come test drive the 2019 C-HR. The Toyota C-HR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The C-HR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle, and is priced below $25,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, remote keyless entry. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.